Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how I designed this flyer. Without much ado, let's dive right into Photoshop. So you will start by clicking on the Create New. We will set our canvas size to 2100 by 2100 pixels. We will kickstart this design by importing our first image for the background. So you will click and drag the image into Photoshop, and then once it's open, we will increase the size of the image, and then we will click on the check mark to save the changes. Once we are done, we will then take our pen tool and then we will click once. We are coming to draw an irregular shape, so you just follow my cursor and see how I do this shape with a pen tool. Once you are done drawing with the pen tool, you will then change the color. You double click on the shape layer and then you'll be using this color. The color code is on the screen. You can copy this color. So once you are done, we will set the blend mode of the layer to multiply. We will then bring in our car image. So it's a Range Rover. I downloaded the PNG file. I will leave all these resources in the description below. You can download them and use them for your design as well. So we will then import it, and then once we are done with the placement of the image, we will start typing in our text. So you just follow along as I type in this text. So at this point, we will just be typing the text and placing it, changing the font style and then the font size, and then adjusting the color and then the positioning of the text. Once we are done with the text above, you will come down and then you will pick our rectangular shape tool and then draw a rectangle below the image. So as you can see me doing, I drew the rectangle image and then I rounded the edges and I changed the color. So I picked this color from where the car is. So at this point, I'll just be adding text and then adjusting them and then adding shapes too. At this point, I will fast forward the video, but you can still see what I'm doing. It's not anything new or anything difficult. So it's just inserting text and adjusting it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in our next tutorial.